All right, so I've got my PNG files loaded. I've got them scaled. I've got them largely lined up the way I want. There's a little bit of last minute tweaking I'd like to do, and I want to make sure that these tick marks all kind of line up where I'd like them to be. So first thing I'm going to do is hit one on my keyboard and go to that front view. I'm going to line up the tick marks that are just outside the outer edge of the building on 0 on the z-axis. So I'm going to push G on my keyboard, and I'm going to push X on my keyboard, and I will just arrow key over until that lines up where I want it. Likewise, I think I will do the same thing here. I'll push 7, zoom in a bit. I will push G. I will push X. I will slide over so that those hash marks line up with the Y axis, 0. And I think maybe I'd like the floor of the house, the bottom area, to line up with 0 on the x-axis. So I think I'll also grab the front view one more time. And same deal. I'll push G. I'll push Z this time. And I will slide that up using the arrow key until that tick mark lines up with 0 on the z-axis. That being the case, I think I'm probably ready to start building my house, unless I decide to maybe move this back as well. Yeah, I think I will actually. So let's go ahead and hit G, and this time I'll move it back on the y-axis. And we will line it up with those tick marks, one of those tick marks at the back of the drawing. I guess I'll go with the further back one. There. Let's call that good for now.